Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel clients step by step. Start by choosing a narrow niche and outlining the exact services you will provide to clients. Build sample files that demonstrate your skills on typical problems and include before and after sheets. Set package prices tied to deliverables and timelines so prospects can quickly understand value. Keep language simple and client-focused to increase conversions and trust. In this section, I explain how to find leads quickly using focused methods that scale. Search LinkedIn for titles that match your ideal client and engage with a helpful comment or message offering a quick audit. Post helpful Excel tips in niche forums and groups to attract inbound interest. Consider a small ad promoting a free sample file or mini audit to capture emails and start a relationship with potential clients. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help others find it and support future content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with building a profitable freelance business. Check the description for the link and other deals that can help your growth. And now let's get back to the video. In this part, I help you convert prospects by demonstrating value early and removing friction from decisions. Send a concise proposal that lists scope, deliverables, timeline, and one clear price so clients can say yes quickly. Offer a low-cost trial project or a free mini audit to prove results and reduce perceived risk. Follow up with case studies and clear next steps to close the deal and secure recurring work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.